This is an old one by Bette Midler, The Rose. I'm going to teach it to you in the key of C. Make sure to click on the description below because I have the printable chord sheet for you to be able to follow along with me. All right, in the key of C, we have some main chords, C, F, G, and then we have an A minor and an E minor in this song. This is really simple. It just repeats itself over and over, so I'm just going to get right to it. A C chord is made up of C, E, G, G chord, G, B, D, F chord is one step down, F, A, C, and then we're going to pick up an E minor, C, D, E, E minor is E, G, B, and then our A minor, A, C, E, okay? All right, so when our right hand is going to be playing chords, our left hand's just going to pick up some single notes, and you can just line up your thumb here on C, and that'll pretty much be able to allow your hand to not move a whole lot. So our right hand is going to play that chord, left hand is going to play single note. C to C, G to G, F to F, and then our E minor, you can open that thumb up, E to E, and then A to A minor, A note down here and A minor up here, okay? The rhythm that we're gonna pick up is together, right, together, right, together, right, okay? So how you add the vocals in is, here we go. Some say love, it is a river that drowns F, the tender reed, okay? Some say C, it is a Jesus, that F, your soul to bleed. Just a real simple marching rhythm, right? Some say love, E minor, it is a hunger, that endless aching need. Some say love, see there, it is a river or flower, and you, it's only seed. Pretty simple, right? All right, you can go back and rewatch that if you need help with the chords, but I'm just going to do it top to bottom. You can follow along with me. Have a lot of fun.